Hey guys, real quick, I want to show you how to align this pressure plate to this flywheel. So I'm going to grab the pressure plate here and put it on the flywheel, but it's not going to line up with the pins. That's because these 3 pins in the flywheel are actually keyed, so the pressure plate will only go one way on those 3 pins here. So what you have to do is align it, and the trick is to align these 2 tangs in the pressure plate with this TDC mark on the flywheel. See, it's got a little 0 there. So if you line those tangs up with that first pin, you'll see that the pressure plate will slide right on over it. And that's it. Thanks for watching.